Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Simplified by HM. Ever wondered how to solve complex quadratic equations with ease? Today we are looking at a game-changing method, completing the square. Grab your notebooks, hit subscribe button along with bell icon and let's dive in. We know the roadmaps for solving the quadratic equations. We have seen it in previous two videos. Just we will recap it. Factoring, the equation is easily factorable. Then we use the factoring method. If there is a no bx term, example x square minus 5 is equal to 0, then it is better to use square root method. If coefficient of x square is 1 and middle terms coefficient b is even, then completing the square method is best to use. And the last, the equation cannot be easily factored, or when coefficients are large, the quadratic formula is used. The goal of our today's recipe, our objective is to transform a standard messy quadratic equation into a clean, easy to solve perfect square format. Start with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to transform it into x plus d bracket square is equal to e. Why? Because once our equation looks like this, harvesting the final roots is just a simple square root away. Prepare the workspace. Every good recipe starts with preparation. We must isolate our variable ingredients from our constants. Start with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If there is a number in front of x square, divide the whole equation by it first. Move the constant term to the other side of the equal sign. So we get x square plus bx is equal to minus c. The missing ingredient. To force the left side of our equation into perfect square, we need to craft a very specific missing ingredient using the coefficient of x. For that, take the middle number b, which is coefficient of x, cut it exactly in half, b by 2, and square it. That is in bracket b upon 2 bracket square. Now we have to balance the scale. In mathematics, as in cooking, balance is everything. We must add our missing ingredient to both sides of the equation to keep it true. X square plus bx plus b upon 2 bracket square is equal to minus c plus b upon 2 bracket square. Now the perfect trinomial. The left side is now a perfect square. It is a trinomial. Like a perfectly baked pie, the individual ingredients blend into one beautiful unified shape. We can now factor it down. X square plus bx plus b by 2 bracket square becomes in bracket x plus b by 2 bracket square. Now harvest the roots. The dish is ready. We unsquare both sides by taking the square root to find x. Important, remember the twin harvest, every positive number has two square roots. You must include the plus or minus symbol. So x plus b upon 2 is equal to plus or minus under square root right side. Now we will use this method to solve quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. As discussed here, x square has a coefficient 1 and middle terms coefficient b is 4, which is even number. So we can easily apply completing square method. So first x square plus 4x is equal to 5, moving minus 5 from left to right. Now half of 4 is 2 and squared is 4. So we will add 4 to both sides. X square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 5 plus 4. Left hand side is perfect square of x plus 2 and right hand side is 5 plus 4, 9. So we get x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 9. Now taking the square root of both sides, we get x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3, and simplifying this we get x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 5. Now we will use this to solve another complex quadratic equation. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. First divide everything by 3, coefficient of x square. So we get x square minus 5 by 3, x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now half of minus 5 by 3 is minus 5 by 6, and when squared it gives us 25 upon 36. So we add this 25 upon 36 to both sides of the equation. We get x square minus 5 by 3x plus 25 upon 36 is equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus 25 upon 36. Simplifying this, we get left hand side is a perfect square of x minus 5 upon 6. So we get in bracket x minus 5 upon 6 bracket square, and when we solve right hand side we get 1 upon 36. So we have an equation x minus 5 upon 6 bracket square is equal to 1 upon 36. So now we take the square root of both sides, we get x minus 5 upon 6 is equal to plus or minus 1 upon 6, and simplifying these in two separate equations we get x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2 by 3. Now we recap our all steps here. The checklist for a perfect math harvest. For completing the square method, isolate the variable terms x square plus bx is equal to c. Divide by a if x square has a coefficient. Find the secret ingredient, that is middle terms coefficients upon 2 and its square. Adding the ingredient to both sides, that means whatever we have find in step 3 we add to both sides of the equation. Then factor the left side into perfect square. Then take the square root of both sides and then solve for the x. Keep solving, keep growing. You now have a powerful new tool in your math toolkit. Keep solving, keep studying. Please share this video, hit the like button and subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next method. Have a great day.